Hi, it's Anya, and for today's video I really want to show you how to make some stuffed beignets. I'll be stuffing mine with caramel and Nutella. If there's any other recipes you'd like to see me make, please leave in the comment section below, and don't forget to give this video a like, comment and subscribe. To a bowl with 90 ml of water, sprinkle 6 grams of yeast over and allow it to bloom for 10 minutes. Once bloomed, add in 25 grams of sugar, 1.5 tablespoons of melted butter, and 1 egg. Give this a good mix. Next, add in a pinch of salt and 2 teaspoons of vanilla essence. Add in 1 teaspoon cinnamon powder, then add in 2 1/3 cup of flour. Mix well until a smooth dough forms. Cover and allow to rest for 1 hour until the dough has doubled in size. Roll the dough out onto a floured surface. Cut into squares. I found that a pizza cutter works the best. Place the squares onto a baking tray, cover and allow to rest for 30 minutes. After 30 minutes, fry on each side until golden brown. You can stuff your beignets with anything that you like strawberry jam or Biscoff spread or things like that, but I went with caramel and Nutella. I dusted mine with some icing sugar. And enjoy!